Want to learn how I made cricket bat, ball and wicket? Follow me, create a cylinder, set it to desired size, Ctrl R, bevel to 3. Again bevel each one into 3. Select 3 middle edges, individual origins, size into smaller. Add 2 loop cuts, bevel into 2. Alt-E extrude individual faces, the duplicate 2 times. Create a cylinder, rotate to 90, increase the size, add 4 loop cuts, bevel each edge into 3. Select faces, Alt-E to extrude faces along normals. Adjust the size, select a cube, resize it on Y-axis, increase the height, extrude, size into smaller, select top face, subdivide, loop tools, then circle, extrude it up to make the handle, bevel the bottom edge, K to draw a loop cut, tweak edges to make a proper bat shape, extrude face, then Alt-E to extrude faces along normals. Create a sphere, make it to a ball size. Go to shading and assign material textures, set the camera, lighting and render. Please do like, comment and subscribe for more Blender videos.